Welcome to our video on the law of attraction, the powerful concept that can change your life. So, what is the law of attraction? Simply put, it's the belief that positive or negative thoughts and feelings can attract corresponding experiences into our lives. How does it work? Well, our thoughts emit vibrations into the universe that attract similar vibrations back to us. When we focus on positive thoughts and visualize our desires, we align ourselves with the positive energy needed to attract them. It's like a magnet, drawing in the things we want. But it's not just about wishful thinking. Action plays a crucial role too. Taking inspired action and pursuing opportunities that align with our desires amplifies the law of attraction's effect. Some skeptics might dismiss it as mere coincidence, but countless success stories show otherwise. Now let's discover 3 simple steps to activate the law of attraction in your life. Step 1: Clearly define your desires and set specific, achievable goals. Step 2: Visualize. Imagine yourself already in possession of your desires, feeling the joy and gratitude. And finally, Step 3. Maintain a positive mindset, eliminating doubt and replacing it with belief in your own ability to manifest. And, there you have it. Now, make the law of attraction work for you.